1942, the U.S. Army took over the White Passenger Car Railroad, started moving fuel supplies and personnel to build the Alcan Military Highway. Over here on the right, that's called Thunderhead, and that green roller coaster up there is called the Dragon Flyer. Tons of material supplies and personnel travel behind this train and others just like her. Up to 34 trains a day were used in the road construction, and in 9 months, what seemed impossible became possible. The Alcan Military Highway was completed. I bet you didn't know Grant Ryan, a true veteran of World War II. We at Dollywood are proud of all veterans of all branches of service, and our thoughts and prayers for all of those who are active duty today. In 1963, engine number 70 was retired. And in 1977, an East Tennessee theme park named $6 City Purchase Cars. And that's where she became known as Cinderella. Folks, let's start up there and wait for him to get up there, Steve. He's pulling the water without even using his hand. That's pretty good. In the 70s, maybe if we revolution of the apartment building, all of a sudden, we'd be a present day Dollywood. Because you continue the tradition of hard work. So back to back and enjoy the scenic wonders of the foothills of the smoking, listen to the engine as it goes up the mountain. And imagine you're back in 1851 behind Tennessee's first steam engine that took us in. Now, folks, I cannot believe it. They spotted a black bear up here, folks. They spotted a black bear. It's up here around this corner on the right side. No, the left side. Around this corner on the left side. There's a black bear up here on the left side, folks, around the corner. Now, get your cameras and cell phones down in case it's still there. Okay, they said they ran into that clearing over on the left side around this corner. Now, if it's not on the ground, folks, look up in the trees. They do run up in the trees when they get scared. So get a good picture of it. Show your friends when you get home. You saw one here on the Dollywood Express. Should be around this corner on the left side of the clearing or somewhere in that area. Keep looking. If it's not on the ground, look up in the trees, folks. Look up in the trees. Hope you get a great picture. Look to the left, folks, in the next clearing somewhere. Look to the left. Over on the left, folks. Right in here somewhere. Wait a minute. There it is right there, folks. Take a picture. Wait, take a picture. Here's up. Hey, wait a minute. It looks like Cinderella doesn't scare him stiff. Yeah, I know these jokes are unbearable sometimes, folks, but just bear with me, please. Just bear with me. I barely got that joke out anyway. Coming up on the right, that's called Wilderness Pass. We'll talk a little more about that on the way back down. Wilderness Pass. On the right. Of the blue smoke. It's the natural habitat of more flowering plants and trees than anywhere else in the United States. You hear the music in the air of over 200 different species of birds. The Smokies is a never-ending song that changes with each season and with each pair of eyes. Now, we here in Dollywood are really proud of Cinderella and the guys and gals who operate her so much so well. We like her to show off every once in a while. Would y'all like to hear some music on that bottle of locomotive whistle? All right, on the count of three, let's tell that engineer to blow that whistle. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle! Get my hand up there. Come on, get my hand. Cinderella saying thank you very much. Now, folks, the Great Smoky Mountains were established in 1934. It's the most visited national park in America with over 11.4 million visitors last year. At the dawn of the 20th century, there were over 1,200 farms in this area, much like what you see coming up on the left side of the train. They had a smokehouse where they hung and cured the meat. They had the main house where the family lived. They had a chicken house where they kept the chickens and the eggs. Looking at chicken house and seeing her and looking back at you, she loved to watch those trains go by. And they had a spring house where they kept the milk and the butter cool. Out in the woods had another little house. It was called the outhouse. Now, kids, if you don't know what the outhouse was used for, I'll let you ask your parents. If your parents aren't sure, ask your grandparents. I'm sure they can tell you. But I know for a fact the outhouse was used for two main purposes. Number 1 and number 2. Now, folks, we're going to go down the hill. Don't worry, we've got some of the finest brakes in America for this train, and they're going to put them on next week, so don't worry, folks. Up here on the left side is called Wilderness Pass. That green roller coaster on the left is the Fire Chaser Express. It's a dual launch roller coaster, which means it goes both forwards and backwards. No loops, no drops, just fast-moving curves. You don't have to be 39 inches tall to get on that ride. It goes about 34.5 miles an hour. That big blue one behind is called the Wild Eagle. A Wild Eagle goes up 21 stories. It'll drop you 13 stories into a giant 110-foot loop with speeds in excess of 60 miles an hour. It might be the most exciting 2 minutes and 22 seconds you have in the park this afternoon. Show of hands, who's been on the Wild Eagle? 7 people. Okay, great. Show of hands, who's not going to get on the Wild Eagle? The feathers are flying everywhere. Now, y'all go to that Wild Eagle merchandise shop down there, get yourself a big old bright yellow t-shirt, and it says, well, it says I'm a chicken. Now, come up on the left is called Wildwood Grove. Now, Wildwood Grove is brand new this year. The way you get to Wildwood Grove is you go right across from the Mystery Mine, go right into the entrance. There's 11 new experiences in there for our guests to try out this year. Also, there's a Southwest-inspired restaurant called Till and Harvest. They have things like burritos and tacos in there, so make sure you check out this Wildwood Grove right across from the Mystery Mine.
There's a long black train coming down the line, leading all the souls that are lost and crying. Rails of sin, where evil reigns. Watch out, brother, for that long black train. Look to the heavens, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There is protection and there's peace to sing. Burn in your ticket for that long black train. Oh, there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory.
Now, folks, look to the left side of the engine, wave to our fireman Julie up there. She's the only female fireman we have on this train. Everybody do a good wave. Come on. Everyone wave at that young lady. She's your one responsible for hand shoveling all that goes into the firebox. This engine operates today just like it did when it was first built in 1938. On a busy day, Cinderella will use 5 tons of coal, drink 5,000 gallons of water, bring between 4,000 to 6,000 people up and down this mountain. We at Dollywood are really proud of Cinderella and the guys and gals who operate her. Hope you all enjoy traveling behind her just as much as we do.
Let me ride on that long black train. But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory. Don't go riding on that long black train.
Those water lift is called Timber Canyon, home to the 5-ton. Thunderhead, also home to Mystery Madness, a high-speed steel roller coaster with white knuckle loops that'll drop you 85 feet straight down into the darkened mine shaft. And of course, we do have the drop line. The drop line will take you up 230 feet, but you see a little bit of Dollywood, and then, well, it's going to drop you at 77 miles an hour.
But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory. Thank to the Father and His holy name. And don't go riding on that long black train. I said cling to the Father and His holy name. And don't go riding on that long black train. Yeah, watch out, brother, for that long black train. The devil's driving that long black
Now, just a few seconds to go through that Orange Farm crossing for the last time on this trip. Now, as we go through the crossing this time, everybody get your hands up and wave at all those fine folks out there waving at you. And maybe practice your homecoming queen wave if you know what a homecoming queen wave is. Car 7 knows. How about car 6? How about car 5? Car 4? Car 3? Car 2? Car 1? Waving at all these folks, there's probably 200 or 300 people out there waving at you as you go by. Give him a big wave and wave at Frank over there on the left. He's waving at you also. He's one of our conductors. Look at all these folks out there. Wait a minute. Now, folks, look to the left and see that Miss Lady, Miss Lily down there with that umbrella. Give her a big wave, folks. Give her a big wave. That's Miss Lily and Miss Lily Smokehouse. We love you, Miss Lily. I need a high kick. I need a high kick. Ha ha! One more. One more. Ah, we love you, Miss Lily. We love you. Coming up here in the main crossing, we're going through the last time. As soon as we go through as loud as we can, we want to say howdy on 3. Everybody on 3. 1, 2, 3. Howdy. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Howdy. How about a yeehaw on 3? 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Uh-oh. I sucked in a bug on that one. Don't be on the ride. It's called River Rampage. I suggest you go on the River Rampage right before you go home tonight. Get on that ride, get soaking wet, get back in your car, and drive home. What a great experience that'll be for you, the River Rampage. Finest rock and roll way, 1950 vintage cars. Behind that's the Lightning Rod, the fastest wooden roller coaster in the world. It goes 73 miles an hour, the Lightning Rod. Now, my husband, my fellow conductor, Wayne, no car 3, my name's Russell, and I appreciate you guys riding with us. Let me ask y'all a question. Did y'all have fun here on the Dollywood Express? All right, that's Cinderella saying she wants me to show you where she sleeps at night.